Hi, I'm Michaela Paukner with Strip-Till Farmer and the National Strip-Tillage Conference. Our 2022 National Strip-Tillage Conference is coming to Iowa City, Iowa, July 28th through 29th, 2022, bringing you 2 days of nonstop learning and networking to help you run a more profitable strip-till farming business. Today, I'm at the Kinze Manufacturing plant in Williamsburg, Iowa. It's about 30 minutes west of the conference headquarters, and it's part of our exclusive pre-conference workshop on Wednesday, July 27th. You'll get to tour the plant and also do a hands-on soil health activity. Limited to just 48 conference attendees, the Kinze experience will be split into 2 groups who will rotate through a tour of the manufacturing facility and viewing a film about the company's history in the Innovation Center. After the Kinze tour, an on-site lunch will be served prior to a dynamic pre-conference workshop with soil health specialist Jim Hoorman, who will discuss the role of micronutrients and humates in the soil and the relationship to disease, insects, and nutrient cycling. Hoorman will also address how using sugars and energized water can help increase nutrient and herbicide use efficiency, and how paying attention to these often overlooked components can boost the bottom line. I hope you'll join us in Iowa City, Iowa, and here in Williamsburg at the Kinze plant for the exclusive pre-conference tour, workshop, and lunch. We're excited to have you, and I personally can't wait for the conference. You can find all the details about it and reserve your seats at striptillconference.com.